Father Yah here, well, I just want to say I hate V-necks. Wearing this because it's laundry time and this is what I got for the time being. Anyway, just reading some of the comments, some of the bashing comments that were against me, where they try to mask racism. Because they don't do this to everybody. They only do it to somebody like me when they have success in their living. So let's go over to comments. Yeah, we'll go over to comments. Comments. And go with newest to oldest. Now, I usually start off by adding my stats here before somebody else makeshifts a fake stat to give me. After that, somebody has something to say. They said, get a job, laugh their behind off. So let's click into replies. Wait a minute. They said, get a job, laugh their behind off.
I love it. You guys are so great.
As promised, I was going to use sound effects for reading their comments. Then I says, I'm retired. I worked so much while young that it wasn't funny. You probably didn't care to know that I had to do volunteer work before getting a job that would actually pay. And if you've seen my skin color, then you already know that I could never afford to work for free. But I did work for free just to get a paying job at first. And we're mourning legends that we lost, like Mr. Ozman and Mr. Hogan and Mr. Malcolm. And I hope they can rest in power knowing just how some people will never change. The only race that matters is the human race, sir or ma'am. Good day to you anyway. Then the person said, they don't care about me at all. It's just obvious I have way too much free time or no hobby. If I post SHIT like this and write pages in the comments, they think I need help, their guy. Delete. They said for me to delete my account and to get a life. Then I said, you don't even bother to say this to anyone else that has videos like this. So your remark is an ethnic slur that you're trying to mask. No, sir, ma'am. You are the one that needs serious help. As I said before, the only race that matters is the human race. Then I said, well, as I try to tell you that I am retired, but you're too retarded to read fully. So I hope your fanatics will read fully and let you know that I am a success and do not care for your PMS opinions. As a man talking like how you have already and being caught, you should feel embarrassment, but you lack the amount of intelligence to be able to comprehend self-embarrassment. Look, point is, you and your miserable friend should choose another channel to be miserable on. I have more subscribers than you both combined, and you're not even wasting my time. If you actually saw all my videos, then you'd know I own more than you both as well. Even on Facebook, my young girlfriends are happy, and I am happy, so you only waste your own time talking from your mental illness in my direction. Facts. They didn't have any more to go on with that. They didn't have any more to go on with that.
Gucci, Gucci, Prada.
Come on now. I still don't see anything else from these two guys. All the sound effects that's needed. Wow, the out.